Oh, these dudes are too cool too. Today's July 4th. Happy Independence Day. So I'm out here. I'm out in front of my house right now. I'm trying to get some shots of fireworks here. I'm not getting very good ones. I had some good ones before, but I messed up the video. It's like right in front of my house in the street. Oh, there we go. What the hell was that? 2 fireworks. Alright, so just want to wish you all happy Independence Day. Where the hell are these fireworks? As I was saying, I wish you all happy Independence Day. So my question is, what did you all do for Independence Day? You go to the beach, hang out with your family and friends. I went to the beach, right? And so basically I'm gonna wait here for some good fireworks for the next 2 minutes. I will have a skip ahead, a little annotation, skip ahead in what time part in the video. And oh, there we go. There we don't have that many. What is this? One went up and that was it. Things a powerful boom. As I was saying before, the fireworks I had in front of my house, after, I don't know, the thing they used to launch them, a car ran over and broke it. They had like a bunch of fireworks, and I heard them saying, that's broke, because the idiot ran it over. So, nah. Right now, the Macy's are launching their fireworks, and I believe Coney Island is also, but I can't get a view of Coney Island from here. I can only get like from this angle. I rarely see it, not launched high enough. I don't see any other fireworks. Wait another 10 seconds, you never know. I just saw flashing. Where is it coming? Oh, right here. There we go. There we go. Here's some action. I don't know what it is. Some kind of fireworks. Oh, there we go. I forgot what they're called. Oh, I think it's another firework or... I don't know. It's not fireworks. Now, this stuff is dangerous because it's all wooden houses here, and it goes on top of the roof, causes fires. It's one reason. Alright, so, I don't know, is there any more? Any more? I think I'm gonna end it here. Let's see if he brings any more out. There's a whole group of people down there. I don't see anything else. Looks like he has some more stuff. Is he gonna do it or not? Play anyways. Here it's across the street. Get some closer view of this. Come on, light it. Yeah, there you go. Light it. Looks like there's some action here. Try to light it. Wave it around. Oh, I'm sorry. Everything in a light. There we go. Guys, sorry, I should be standing here. I'm gonna end it here. Thanks you guys for watching. Happy Independence Day, and once again, what did you do for Independence Day? Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have all different videos. Videos of like 2 games. That's it. What else? My winter videos. I like weather, so I'm involved with that. I do a lot of winter videos. I usually record all the snowstorms, and now I'm doing the thunderstorms, all severe storms like that. I'm not having much fun at them as the snowstorm videos, but they'll do. So check those out. Once again, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm happy Independence Day. Bye.